Ever wonder why knee joint problems seem to creep up on us, especially when we least expect it? Well, it's all about the wear and tear our bodies go through. And today, we're going to dive into a simple yet effective way to trick our bodies into a repair mode. This method, known as the general adaptation syndrome, allows us to build strength and stimulate repairs through stress accommodation. Sitting on an exercise bike. Adjust the resistance to match no more than the weight of your legs. This is the first step towards knee recovery. It's not about pushing your limits, it's about finding a balance that your knees can handle comfortably. Now begin pedaling at a moderate speed. It's important to note that pain is not the goal here. If any discomfort arises, slow down. This is not a race, but a journey towards healthier knees. Pedal for about 1 to 2 minutes, enough to get the blood flowing and the joints moving. After this short bout of exercise, allow your body to rest. This is the third step of the process. Remember, rest is just as important as the exercise itself. It's during this time that your body begins to repair itself, accommodating the stress it thinks it experienced during the workout. Plan to revisit this exercise in 2 days, gradually building up to 5 minutes of pedaling. Keep the resistance level constant. It's not about intensity, but consistency. After about 2 weeks of following this routine, you should notice a significant improvement in your knees. If caught early, your knees could feel as good as new. In summary, through a process of moderate exercise and rest, using an exercise bike with a manageable resistance level, we can stimulate our body's natural repair mechanisms. This method, which involves stress accommodation, can lead to improved knee health and overall joint strength. So the next time you're feeling those early signs of knee discomfort, remember this simple yet effective exercise routine. It's not about pushing your limits, but about understanding and working with your body to stimulate repair and recovery. This is a proactive approach to our health. Catch it early. After all, our knees carry us through life, and it's high time we started taking better care of them.